Hi, Brana here from Technical SUT in Lemon. Today we will learn how to guess the possible emails of a person using full name, first name, last name, and the website. So you can grab the copy of this sheet by clicking File and make a copy, and find the link in the description of the video. So just put the first name and last name here and add the website of where a person is working. You can find this detail on LinkedIn using Sales Navigator. So click on this email verifier and click on generate emails. Here you can see it's generated the 10 possible emails of the person. For example, his name is Jason Green and website is bp.com. So Jason.Green, Jason Green, J.Green, J Green, Jason underscore Green, G underscore Green, JASBP.com. So after this, you want to make the list which you want to download for verification because the result is in left to right. So click on this email verifier and click ready for verification. Open this tab. And you can see the emails and first name last name is here. You can download this list, so and use any email verifier. We will create another video you can find on the channel how to verify and validate the emails. So you can use any free email verifier, so the result will be one of them and email address will be valid. So the valid email will be used for outreaching. For this, just download the CSV and upload into your email verifier. Tap the like button if you want more videos like this. Thank you.